Oh, hey, didn't see you there. How's it going, everybody? It's just me, your pal Tyler with Equipco. Hey, check this out behind me. Look at this brand new, beautiful UDXC 45 unit heater from REZNOR. Now, one nice thing that I like about this is look at this. It's got a nice little green LED light, so you know it's running. So if in your garage, it's fine, but on a commercial site, when you look up, it's just nice to know that it's working. Also, too, just this beautiful one red louver that makes it stand out. Beautiful REZNOR logo. But let's check out a couple other things that make REZNORs really slick, everybody. Another great feature with the REZNOR UDXC models is this right here, the access door. It actually comes on a tether, so that way it cannot fall. So when you're first starting this thing up, you know it's nice and safe. All right, guys, one very important thing for REZNOR unit heaters, specifically here in Northern Alberta, is the manual, RTFM. Read the fantastic manual. So see here, for elevations 2,000 feet and above sea level. So us here in Canada, Northern Alberta, we're the 2,001 to 4,500 feet. It says right here in Canada, it comes factory at 3.5 inches, but you actually need to derate it down to 2.8 inches water column. So you know what? Yeah, let's do that together, everybody, and show you how it's done. Okay, everybody, so we are inside the unit right now in the access door, and here's the gas valve. So here's the inlet port for pressure, and here's the outlet manifold pressure port. So what we want to do is we want to connect our manometer to right there, and then adjust the gas pressure right here with the adjustment screw. All right, guys, so the unit heater is running. You can see we've got the manometer on the outlet port of the gas valve. We have the adjustment screw open, and we're currently sitting at 3.46, approximately 3.5. So we want to adjust that down to 2.8. So let's do that together, shall we? Okay, we have the manometer on. The adjustment screw cover's back on, and we're sitting at 2.8 inches water column. So we have been adjusted for high altitude. Now, wasn't that delightful, everybody? To see how simple these units are to actually derate for high altitude. Now, keep in mind, when you buy a new unit, it does come with the rating plate sticker. So if you do adjust it for high altitude, you can fill in the new info, you know, the new manifold pressure, and stick it on the unit. So when someone looks for that rating plate, they see the new one. That's what you want. You want to keep it classy and code. And keep in mind, I am a journeyman gas fitter by trade. I've been working on gas appliances for many moons. It's my 20th year in the industry. And lastly, I want to show you one more highlight of REZNOR that I think is possibly the most important one. Is look at this heat exchanger. You see how it's flat, pressed together? That gives it a lot of flexibility. So when these units turn on, off, hot, cold, it gives it that flexibility it needs. Because without that flexibility, you could have a cracked heat exchanger, and that is a bad time. So everybody, I hope you like this little video on the REZNORs and talking about derating. And also too, with those stickers I mentioned for the new rating plates for the new altitude, if you do happen to lose one, not that that happens out there, but if you do happen to lose one, reach out to your favorite people at Equipco, and I'm sure we can help you get a new one. So you guys keep it classy out there, and maybe I'll see you again.